Hello students, good day. I'm teacher Alvin and I will be your teacher for today's online class. Today, I'll be teaching science. But before we go and proceed to our discussion, let's watch first our documentary.
Beautiful birds. Part 2. 7. Eagle. E-A-G-L-E. Eagle. Vocabulary. Powerful. Pray. Excellent. Talon. The eagle is a large, powerful bird of prey. It has a large, hooked beak and excellent eyesight. It has powerful talons which help it catch prey.
Now, let's proceed with our vocabularies. Our first vocabulary word is radio. 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 Now, let's spell the word radio. It's R-A-D-I-O. Radio. Very good. Our second vocabulary words are wall socket. Wall socket. Wall socket. Now, let's spell the word wall socket. It's W-A-L-L. Wall. S-O-C-K-E-T. Socket. Wall socket. Very good. And our third vocabulary words are power cord. Power cord. Power cord. Now, let's spell the word. It's P-O-W-E-R. Power. C-O-R-D. Cord. Power cord. Very good. Now, let's proceed with our lesson proper. And our topic for today is changing electricity into other forms of energy. Again, changing electricity into other forms of energy. We always need to change electricity into other forms of energy, like light energy, heat energy, or sound energy. Sometimes we use electricity to make things move, or that is motion. For example, we have the radio as our first example. So this is our radio, and our radio need to be plugged in into a power socket because we need to use an electricity for our radio to work. We convert this electricity into another form of energy called sound energy. That's why we can hear our favorite music using a radio. Our next example is our television. And our television need to be plugged into a power socket for us to use a form of energy called electricity. And this electricity will be converted into another form of energy. When we use a television, we convert electricity into a light energy. Of course, not only a light energy, but also a sound energy. That's why we can watch our favorite movies using television. Our third example will be an electric fan. An electric fan needs to use an electricity to work and to move. That's why if we use an electric fan, we convert the electricity into another form of energy called motion. That's why the electric fan can produce air because it uses electricity, and that electricity was converted into motion. Our fourth and last example is an oven. And this oven needs to be plugged into a power socket to use an electricity. And this electricity will be converted into another form of energy. And this energy is heat energy. That's why we can bake our cookies and our favorite cupcakes in the oven. Now, let's do our wrap up. Number 1. If I were going to use my mobile phone, the electricity will be converted into what forms of energy? If your answers are light energy and sound energy, your answer is correct. Very good. Thank you for watching. Hope you learned something new today. And please don't forget to wear your mask regularly and wash your hands often. Stay safe. And again, this is Teacher Alvin, and see you soon. Bye.